and welcome. Today I'll show you how to wire and start the Rocksensor remote type electromagnetic flowmeter. First, we give 220V AC power supply to the transmitter. Make sure power is off while wiring. Now let's connect the electrode wires. Red, positive, to Sig1. Blue, negative, to Sig2. Yellow, ground, to SGND. Then connect the sensor wires. Red wire, positive, goes to EXT plus terminal. Blue wire, negative, goes to EXT minus terminal. For control room output, connect I out and I common terminals. This gives the 4220 mA signal. All connections go into the wall-mounted transmitter. Now switch on the power. The display will light up. On the wall-mounted display, you'll see 4 buttons: compound, down, up, and enter. To enter settings, press and hold compound plus enter together. A password screen will appear. Use the up or down keys to change digits and press enter to confirm. Enter the password we've provided, 09454. Again, press compound plus enter to enter the parameter setting mode. Let's check all the available parameters of the remote type RF3300-E electromagnetic flowmeter. Parameter settings can be adjusted as required. When you are done, press and hold enter for a few seconds to return to the normal measuring screen. This is a remote type transmitter. The display is connected with a 10-meter shielded cable. This length can be customized based on the customer requirements as well, so you can install it anywhere, like a panel or wall, as per your need. We use 2 different cables, a 2-core and a 3-core wire for signal transmission from the sensor to the display unit. That's it. Your Rocksensor electromagnetic flowmeter is ready to use. For more how-to videos,